Alright, here we are with the other 3D printed robot that I made, and what we have here is a whole bunch of pieces. So what is important about this robot is that it comes in about 13 different pieces. You've got the head that goes in there. You've got this sort of central part that's like torso and bust all in one. Then you have the shoulder and the arm, sort of the hip joint and the leg, and then you have these little parts here. That's for the knee joint, and this is for the elbow joint. Stick those over there. Now what's important is that once you assemble them, and they're all 3D printable parts that work together, so you don't need to buy any extra screws or any other stuff. It just goes in nice and easy like that. As you can see, the twisting action, the bending action is perfect, so you can pose the little character any way you want. What's important here is to make sure that when you do insert this part in there, that this other part is already in there in the groove. If not, then what's going to happen is you're just going to push this in there, and if you do it from the inside, once this part is in, this part will not be able to slide in because there's a groove or a little niche, whatever you want to call that, in there. So this has to be in there aligned first, and I can't stress this enough because you will break your part and you'll have to reprint it. So have that in there first and then put this in. You can use some tweezers to help you slide this in properly. Sometimes it's not enough to just do it with your fingers. Yeah, that's what I usually use. I use the tweezers to push it down. But anyway, these things usually go in quite well, and once they're in, they're snug, and they should last you quite some time. Well, that's it for this video, and then in the next video I'll show you what it looks like when it's fully assembled, and you will require a little bit of glue just for this part here to get this part together and have all the various bits and bobs connected up. So that's the only glue that you're going to need. Everything else assembles without it.